Your home's doors do more than provide privacy and security. They influence curb appeal, energy efficiency, and even comfort. Over time, doors naturally wear down from weather exposure, humidity, and daily use. If you're a homeowner in Tuscaloosa, paying attention to early warning signs can save you money on energy bills and prevent costly repairs. Here are the top indicators that it's time to consider door replacement. Drafts and energy inefficiency. If you feel a breeze even when your doors are closed, that's a clear sign of energy loss. Tuscaloosa's hot summers and mild winters make proper insulation crucial. Gaps around the frame, worn weather stripping, or warped materials allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing your old doors with modern, energy-efficient models, such as insulated steel or fiberglass, can dramatically improve comfort while lowering monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing the doors that stick, scrape the floor, or don't close properly indicate misalignment or frame warping. Tuscaloosa's humidity and temperature changes often cause wooden doors to expand and contract. While occasional minor adjustments can help, persistent issues usually mean the frame or hinges are deteriorating. A new, well-fitted door ensures smooth operation and better protection against outside elements. Visible damage and wear. Cracks, dents, rust, and peeling paint aren't just cosmetic problems. They can compromise the structural integrity of your door. Wood rot is particularly common in older homes across Alabama due to moisture and insects. Metal doors may develop rust or corrosion, while fiberglass can fade or crack over time. If your door looks damaged or feels flimsy, replacement isn't just about looks, it's about maintaining a safe, sturdy entryway. Moisture between glass panels. Many modern doors feature decorative glass inserts for style and natural light. However, if you notice condensation or fog between glass panes, it's a sign of seal failure. Once seals break, moisture seeps in, leading to mold, mildew, and reduced insulation. Replacing the entire door, rather than attempting small fixes, is the most reliable solution to restore both beauty and efficiency. Increased noise from outside. If you're hearing more street noise, barking dogs, or neighbors' conversations, your door may no longer be doing its job as a sound barrier. Older or hollow core doors often fail to block outside noise effectively. Modern replacement doors, especially those with solid cores or insulated materials, can greatly enhance interior tranquility while improving overall home value. Noticeable drafts of light around the edges during the day. Check if you can see sunlight seeping around the edges or bottom of your closed door. That light means air, and possibly pests, are getting through as well. Over time, these small gaps can contribute to higher electric bills and reduced indoor comfort. A properly installed replacement door will create a tighter seal and eliminate those leaks entirely. Outdated design or poor curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things guests and neighbors notice. If it looks outdated or clashes with your home's style, it can lower curb appeal and even affect resale value. Replacing your door gives you the opportunity to choose a fresh design, whether it's a sleek modern fiberglass model or a timeless wooden entryway that complements Tuscaloosa's southern charm. Security concerns. Worn locks, weakened frames, and soft wood make your home more vulnerable to intrusions. Modern replacement doors come with advanced locking systems and reinforced cores that greatly enhance home security. For homeowners in Tuscaloosa, upgrading to a secure, impact-resistant door adds peace of mind, especially during severe weather seasons. Final thoughts. Your doors play a vital role in keeping your Tuscaloosa home comfortable, efficient, and safe. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, drafts, difficulty closing, damage, or rising energy costs, it's time to explore replacement options. Investing in a new door isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting your home, improving comfort, and enhancing long-term value. When you're ready, consult a trusted local door replacement specialist in Tuscaloosa to find the best design, material, and fit for your home. A new door can transform your home's look and performance for years to come.